Hi everyone, this is Bill Harden with Science Shepherd. Hope you're doing well. We've got some exciting news here. We've got our new board books. They have just arrived today. This is What Can You Do Australia and What Can You Do South America, the brand new board books that Dr. Harden wrote, and we're going to open them up for you. We've seen the preview copies that they sent us. They look great, but this is going to be the actual books themselves. Let's see what we've got. There we go. What Can You Do Australia? Our first children's books, Dr. Harden's first children's books. We've not done anything like this before. If you look at the back cover, we worked with Kate Fallahy on the illustration on these. She's a local Wisconsin illustrator that we got connected with through one of our churches, and she did just a beautiful job with these. If you look at the first page. So what can you do, Australia? I'm a Hercules moth, and I can grow to have a wingspan of more than 12 inches, the largest of any moth in the world. What can you do? Just beautiful illustration. The printing on these was done by Pint Size Productions out of New York. They are literally the only board book printer left in the United States. Everybody else has outsourced and gone overseas. So Pint Size Productions, literally the only one, only American-based printer left doing children's board books like this. Wallaby. Frill-necked lizard, just incredible illustration. Love the expression on the little girl's face. We have not named the characters on these. If you have any ideas, leave them in the comment. Maybe we can give some of these characters a name. But just beautiful illustration. So there we go. What can you do? What can you do? I can worship and glorify God. So we are really excited about these. This is something Dr. Harden was thinking about for a while, and just decided to, amidst the hustle and bustle of all the other writing that he's been doing, that these needed to get done quickly. So we did that. We've actually got plans for basically a book for every continent. We've got South America and Australia right now, and if you'd like to see some of those other ones, Antarctica, Europe, North America, let us know, and we'll get those going. What can you do, South America? Well done. Jaguar, the toucan. The capuchin. And the last page here, what can we as people do? We can know right from wrong. So there you have it. What can you do, South America? What can you do, Australia? Fresh in just today. If you pre-ordered, these will be going out in the mail today. They're up on our website now. You can buy them individually, or you can save a little bit by buying them as a bundle. And we hope you like them. And if you do, we've got more. So thank you very much for watching. If you haven't subscribed or followed our Facebook page, Instagram, Twitter, all that, please do. Otherwise, we will see you next time. Thanks a lot.